Today I wanted to make an updated video here on Cult DAO, ticker CULT Cult, and this project just continues to go crazy. So much engagement within the community, so much just overall positive and bullish sentiment towards this project. A lot of people are in fact bullish here on Cult DAO. The price is at 403779, down around 3.5% over the last 24 hours. Trading volume, however, is up 126% to $67 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours as well. Market cap 158 million. Current coin market cap users, 10,000 of them have Cult DAO on their watch list. Let's take a look at the amount of holders. 12,213 holders now of Cult DAO, and I think just yesterday it was a little over 11,000, so quite a bit of people here buying this little dip in price we're seeing over the last day or so. I mean, last 7 days you can see it's still in the green, but you can see this little dip from where we had about two to three straight days of nice positive gains here for Cult. But yeah, let me know in the comments, you guys, how long you've been holding Cult, if you have been holding Cult DAO since this crazy run that we've been seeing. We're going to continue with these Cult updates. I wanted to go over a deeper part of the Cult DAO manifesto that I haven't really gone over. But yeah, let's just get into this. Not too many specific updates from the project itself, but you can see here they're really pushing everyone and all potential holders and even current holders to read the Cult manifesto. You can see here just absolutely pushing the manifesto forward. And again, like I alluded to in the previous videos about Cult, the manifesto is very, very detailed, very, very well done. You can see here Cult does not just have utility. Cult is utility. Read the Cult manifesto, and here it is right here. So go ahead and check out the Twitter. I'm gonna go over a part of it right now, but yeah, definitely when you're doing your own research, check out the Cult DAO manifesto. 22 hours ago, top trending searches by CoinGecko. And Cult DAO is sitting right here. Cult is trending on like DEXTOOLS, CoinMarketCap, pretty much any place where you can check crypto stats. You can see Cult DAO up there in that top 15, top 10 easily. First rule of Cult is to talk about Cult. Been seeing that comment on a lot of my comments on my previous Cult DAO videos. Read the Cult manifesto. It's time. Again, pushing that Cult manifesto forward. 8 hours ago, remember, for your votes to be counted on proposals, you must delegate your votes to yourself, and you must also have done so before a proposal is submitted to be able to vote on it. You can find more information in our docs here. The tweet DAO, we are Cult DAO, is Ethereum 3.0. We'll just leave this here. Read the Cult manifesto. We are an infinite machine. We are Cult. Here a tweet. AEX is listing Cult DAO. AEX, here's the official announcement from AEX Global. AEX will list Cult DAO. USD pair is going to be trading April 2nd, so this is already live. Deposit trade Cult DAO now listed on AEX, and I think obviously as time moves on or time continues, we're going to see more and more of these exchanges start to list Cult. Repeat after me. I'm revolutionary. I'm Cult DAO. And the power of people is stronger than the power of people. The people in power, this cannot be forgotten. Cult DAO. And then another link to the manifesto. What I wanted to go over here in the manifesto is this part right here. So I had a few questions in the previous Cult DAO video about this, but just going to go into this a little deeper. Where does the money invested come from, and how does Cult staking work? Now, this manifesto, like I said, very well detailed, so they do a very good job of explaining this. So basically, the users interact and trade with the token as a normal token would, be interacted with. The 0.4% tax is taken from in the Cult token on each transaction. This means all transactions should clear on standard DEX slippage settings. The tax is then collected in Cult DAO's treasury and builds up a USD value which matches the market value of 15.5 Ethereum. Cult can be staked for Decult. The top 50 Decult holders are the Guardians. Right, the Guardians is crucial. All holders below the Guardians have voting rights, and these are the many. The guardians, which are the top 50 holders, are the only users who can put proposals before the DAO, but they cannot vote on them. These proposals must conform to all or the majority of these three criteria. Right, so take that in. If you're guardians, you can, you're the only people that can bring the proposals before the DAO. But if you're part of the guardians, you can't vote. Only the many can vote. Fight against centralization, further the cause of decentralization, and directly benefit a noble cause. Those are the three catalysts for what the proposal has to be a part of or conform to. These proposals can be from anywhere: VCs, community members, politicians, anarchists, socialists, the right wing, as long as they conform to the guidance above, and it is a guardian who submits any proposal can be voted on by the many. A proposal must contain the total supply of the investee protocol token, the percentage of the total supply being offered in return for 13th investment, the tokenomics, the audit of this token, and any contracts if built, the burn and distribution plan. The burn and distribution plan is the vesting schedule for the investee protocol's token. For this example, let's use a fake protocol, ABC DAO. The vesting schedule can be daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, but cannot be vested longer than 18 months at the very max. So let's say ABC DAO promises 1.2% of the ABC token investing once a month for 12 months on the repayment date. Rather than sending the tokens of the investee protocol like a normal VC funder protocol would, the investee company instead swaps 0.1% of its supply, which is 1.2% over 12 months, obviously, of ABC for Cult. ABC DAO then sends half of Cult to a burn wallet and the other half to DAO, which is paid out to D-Cult tokens. If this proposal has been approved and the 15.5% Cult ETH value is hit, it will automatically be sent 13 ETH to the proposal wallet address provided and 2.5 ETH burn to a burn wallet. And then if it's not approved, the Cult will continue to build up past 15.5 ETH level, but will auto send once proposal is approved. So again, this is an insane project. If you just taken what I kind of read to you guys and talked about there, the staking, the levels of intricacy on the tokenomics, and how this DAO is specifically going to work amongst voting amongst the holders, the top 50 holders, and then amongst the rest of the non-top 50 holders, is extremely interesting. I think there's a ton of bullish sentiment here for Cult DAO. You can see here trading volume, $68 million in trading volume in 24 hours is insane in its own right, up 118% here. I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but myself personally looking to get a position here, Cult DAO, at this current price point. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You guys, please let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this project right now. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.